thank you for joining me here on Already Cooked. I am your host, HAVIVAH. Today we're going to be making a nutty yogurt. Come on. Here are the things we will need: a sterilized glass jar, a spatula, 2 cups of unsoaked nuts soaked. Life happens. If you have to soak the nuts or seeds for more than 8 hours, please refrigerate. Start with 2 cups of coconut water, 2 to 5 cups of coconut meat. Here are all the ingredients I am using. If I am using something you do not like, please take it out. You can make it as simple as 1 nut, such as cashews, and filtered water. Create it to your taste buds. And the star ingredient, probiotic powder. Now it's time to blend. Add all the ingredients to your blender except the probiotic powder and blend. Isn't that pretty? Now add the probiotic just to mix in. Then pour into glass jar. Please keep in mind that the fermenting process depends on the strength of your probiotic and also the temperature of your home. Cover with a towel and secure it. Let ferment for a couple of hours and taste. Now it's time to make the toppings. Date paste and mixed fruits. Date paste. Soak dates in maple syrup or honey until soft. Then blend until smooth and store in glass jar. And now it's time for the fruit mix. You can choose any fruits you like. I have chosen to mix peaches and apricots and blackberries and cherries. So now we're going to blend half with some date paste and mix back in. Time to assemble and eat. Here I'm showing you how it looks when fermented. This is the way I'm going to shake mine up so that I can mix it in. You can eat this yogurt as is, but I am going to blend it with frozen bananas and some more date paste. You can blend this with oats, flax seeds, cinnamon. The sky's the limit. Whatever your taste buds fancy. Ooh, some vanilla would be really good in here as well. Ooh, look at this consistency. This is beautiful. I'm gonna do tablespoon of chia seeds. Mix that in. So I put some at the bottom of my jar of apricots and peaches in here. I made 2 because I like to keep one in my fridge for a quick meal or a meal to go, and the other I'm going to taste test for you guys now. That's really good. That peach like burst in my mouth. It was so good. Oh my god. So thank you. I think I'm gonna get some more. This is good. So thank you for watching, and remember, let's get healthy together and make healthy recipes. Let me know what kind of yogurt you like and what kind of toppings you like on your yogurt. Leave me a comment below, and yes, eat healthy together. That's a cherry. The last one is a cherry. Aw, that's so sweet. Thank you. You know when you get the cherry, the last one is like, ah, that was a cherry. Thank you so much. Thank you so much for joining me.